You are cruising along perfectly until you notice your car is suddenly acting a bit moody, maybe idling roughly or feeling a little too thirsty at the gas pump. And then you see the P0157 code pop up. This specific code points directly to the oxygen sensor located after the catalytic converter on bank 2, indicating that the voltage signal is sitting lower than it should be. While the front sensors handle the heavy lifting for fuel management, this rear sensor acts like a quality control inspector to make sure your catalyst is actually cleaning up the exhaust gases. If the computer sees a voltage stuck below 0.5 for too long, it thinks the sensor has flatlined or the exhaust is running way too lean. Interestingly, a P0157 rarely means your catalytic converter is dead, but it often signals an air leak in the exhaust pipe, a damaged wiring harness, or a contaminated sensor that has been poisoned by fuel or coolant. You can actually test this yourself with a simple voltmeter while the engine is running to see if the sensor is switching between 0.1 and 0.9 volts as it should. If you find the sensor is just stuck low, checking the heater circuit for battery voltage is your next move, because these sensors need to be hot to talk to the computer correctly. Replacing the sensor is a common fix, but always double check for exhaust leaks or frayed wires touching the hot pipes first, as a simple patch job might be all you really need to get your engine back to its smooth, efficient self.